Once again, thank you for choosing Amtrak as your mode of transportation. Welcome to the fabulous city and state of New Orleans, Louisiana.
I get it right back. She put it all on me.
You know I gotta get my content. The station ain't open till like 5:30. But I think we can go around. Here I come. Let's see this. Huh? I just want to go to the damn bathroom. Here I come, girl. You gonna sit out there? I just want to use it. If they let me use the bathroom. Huh? I'm gonna ask her because I'm dead. This looks good in here. Okay. Yeah, he said when we start moving, they'll let us have breakfast.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And you said go upstairs?
We up here, but we have to go upstairs and then go down. Yeah. You a sleeper? You want to sit here, Nika? Or you want to go up there and observe in the middle?
Yep. Go here and observe, darling.
Yeah, we can do that, darling. On the hallway down to the Yeah, no. We good for now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit in these little seats right here.
Which one?
You can see this, you know. We can work it on. We can do it, you know.
Oh, really? Are you gonna sleep or are you coaching?
Oh, of course.
Excuse me, girl. I'm recording. This is what I was. This wasn't what I was talking about. Let's show you. Got my breakfast, and we're moving. Take with us to the room too. I think I only have extra drawers. I actually bought those one, huh? The older one with the black pants. see if they got something available. We gotta go watch that though. Gotta watch it.
What?
See if they got something available.
Yeah, I am.
No, see, when I was on here, this was like, it was open. They changed it a lot. It was like how they set up, we was able to sit around. It was expanded. So it's just different. It's just a different train. That's why everybody confused. Like, it used to be upstairs. And the food was where we were sitting at.
It was what?
The food is where we were sitting at.
Oh.
Yeah. They changed it. And we actually cooked out here. It wasn't this.
I thought they had like,
They actually cooked the food. They did.
that's what I thought. He said
It
breakfast
was.
being served. I'm like, look.
No, it was cooked. I guess that takes too much. You don't know.
We are sit the handy for the day, baby. Bad man, we no spare, baby. Oops, I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but and I know from the first time I seen your love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I will fall for you, you got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell so deep, baby. Oops, I want you.
Give the baggage handlers about 10-15 minutes to get the luggage off the train and into that gate. If you do this from the baggage handlers on the platform, it's for their safety and your safety.
He do this.
Once again, thank you for choosing Amtrak as your mode of transportation. Welcome to the fabulous city and state of New Orleans, Louisiana. Laissez les bon temps rouler, let the good times roll.
Usually people be like, who did you hanging out with? Your family should know who you hanging out with. So we're gonna go to the store. I don't know, listen. Hey ladies, how y'all doing?
Now you're gonna say this somebody.
Inside. Solid units. Hello. Just a little quick room tour. What else we gotta get us some stuff? We have all this stuff. Put a little decoration in her though. That's just. Oh, here go the washer and dryer. Okay. What's this? Nice bathroom. I really hate shower tubs, but it's cool. You say it's what? Love the closet. Cause I'm gonna unpack. Gotta do that.
Of course.
So you like the room?
Yes, I do. Thank you, darling.
Yeah, good. This is nice. This bed looks so comfortable, girl. Get that couch and lay that couch too. I'm ready to unpack my stuff. I be excited about closets.
That's a nice closet.
Yeah, I love a big closet. Okay, it's cool.
So with the extra towels and stuff?
I love the countertop. If we need extra, we can always tell them to give an extra too. They'll come get it. There goes some already down there. But if we need extra, I'm sure they'll give us extra. They could have put a little more decoration in here, but it's cool though. I'm not tripping, huh? As long as it's clean, it's. I should have brought them. I had some little bit of ones too.
Where do you want to work today?
Hold on, we're gonna get it out. We are walking to go get us some food. I think I'm in the right direction. This is Canal. I'm downloading Google Maps on my iPhone. They go sub, but they go right over there. So we good. We in the right spot. We gotta wait.
I mean, she was sad.
You say what?
Week before last weekend, but you said that she okay now.
We going to that over there. We can wait. I don't know. We just cause the light probably about to change in a minute. I don't wanna. What's this right here? Tulane University. Yeah, we gonna wait. Oh, we good. It's literally right there. That's perfect. Huh?
Happy birthday. My niece is taking me
Leave it in here. Let's go. Marriott and chill. Come on, girl. But it's light change on us. Mr. Bubbles Cafe closed. Why you walking behind me, girl? We got a Subway and a We That and a trolley. This is where we going to eat, y'all. We That. Hopefully. Look a little dead.
Huh? This where we going?
Yep. You cool?
Yeah.
So I say it's literally like right across the street. Hello. That's cute, wow. What's up, family? I think the last time I picked up with y'all, we was basically heading out to go get some food. We did a little walking around, just to, you know, kind of see where some things are that we might want to go back to, and just to be sightseeing a little bit. That's what we did. We got food, came back, chilled, and now we're about to get dressed and go back out. Probably walk around Bourbon and get some dinner because we haven't had dinner. We basically just had like a little lunch or something. So yeah, that's what we about to do. I just want to check in with y'all. I'm sure I'll pick up and let y'all see what we got going on walking around out there. Of course, show y'all where we're going to eat. We're trying to get ready at a certain time so we can make these spots because a lot of them close at 12. You got some that close at 1. You got some that close a little later. And we're pretty much wanting to make sure we get some real Creole food and tonight, and not just get wings, pizzas, and burgers, because that's the stuff that's open real late. I mean, it's a few places probably got like po' boys and things like that, but we want some real New Orleans food. So I'm trying to make it to, I want to go to Mumbo's. Hopefully we can make there before they close. If not, it's another spot and I'll get their food from there. But anyway, just wanted to check in. I'll see y'all when I'm headed out. Finally, we're leaving because we hungry.
Starving.
Hopefully we can get to Mumbo's on time. They close at 1 o'clock. If not, it's other places down there. To go to Bourbon with our raincoats on. I should have got that one. That's cute. Cool punch up. Anyway, we're gonna go out here in the rain. Guess I'll talk to y'all a little when we get to where we're going. Maybe when we walk here. Yep. All right. Bam. So we end up not at Mumbo's because I felt like once we would have got there, they would have been bullshitting us, giving us bullshit food because it's so close to closing time. So we came down here to Days in May, and they're open, I think, like 24 hours. So we still can get some of the same type of food, but we're gonna see what it's hitting for. I wanted me some shrimp and grits, y'all. I love me some shrimp and grits, but I ain't know about getting here. Like, my spirit guides wasn't leading me to getting shrimp and grits at this location. I'm gonna get it somewhere else. It was telling me not to get them here, so I'm gonna go with it. Anyway, y'all, we here. Cute little spot. I'm trying to put anybody's faces in this camera. But anyway. Do I want a drink? Rum punch. I was drinking so many of those. I bet it ain't hitting for the sun. I like it. What's up, family? It is currently, what's this? Our second day here in New Orleans. It's actually the first full day, so today is Saturday. So we are up getting ready to go and head to breakfast. I wanted to be up a little earlier, but I guess our bodies was tired, y'all, so shit. We need a rest. And then I just recently got back from my Jamaica trip, so I had one day to chill and get my stuff together for this trip here, and hey, that's that. And I ain't really had no rest, so I guess I needed to get some sleep in. I guess I'll fully recover once everything get back to normal. But yeah, we are here. It's been raining every time. I don't know. It's like every time I come with this girl, it's been raining on our little trips. But it's all good. I'm gonna make her get up and get up out of here. We're not finna sit up in here, baby, in this room. Get your butt up when we finna go. Especially while it's not raining. Because y'all know I like to be outside. I don't give a fuck. I'll throw on that poncho and keep pushing. And if it's raining too bad, I'll just have to mess up my little outfit with my cute little sandals and shit, and throw on some gym shoes and fucking walk it out. Simple. So that's the type of time I'm on. But baby, I'm finna go to breakfast. I'm finna do my little brows, throw on me some lashes, and put my hair back on and keep it pushing. So yeah, that's what I'm on this morning. I'm gonna stop this right here. Finish getting myself together, and I guess I'll pick up with y'all once we are downstairs, you know, going to breakfast. I want to go to Ruby Slippers. It's like literally down the street. So even if this camera on this fucking spy focus, this shit is blowing me. Y'all hope my shit ain't all blurry because this camera be in fucking spy focus mode. I don't know how the hell I put this on here. I gotta figure out where to go again and turn it off because it keeps popping on. My story time I posted in Jamaica, like y'all, it was on spot focus the whole time. Like I hated that, but I wanted to go and post it because I recorded it. I did not want to like take that down. I was not gonna do that video over. So I hope y'all enjoyed it anyway. I had to give y'all a video because I was behind. Like I was really enjoying myself. I'm like, damn, I did not pre-record any story times for my people. So I had to go do that. And I still need to give y'all another one because I owe y'all 2 for the week. So whenever, by the time y'all see this, I've probably been and did something. So I guess later on when we chilling, I'll record a story time. That's going to be posted for Sunday. I'll sit there, edit it, and get it posted for Sunday. I'm going to have to make sure I sit and do that. This rain blowing me. But I'm going to be outside in this shit regardless. I don't mind walking in the rain. But yeah, you know, it is what it is. Well, let me get off here like I said, and I'll pick up with y'all in a bit. but you know, they mind be fucked up from that shit. Yeah, we are going to Ruby Slipper. Hopefully they ain't a long line. It may be a little wait though, so I'm not sure. We'll have to find out. It may be a little wait in here, so it's all good. Ruby Slipper. What's up, family? We back at the room. We came to just change. I had some sandals or whatever, so I wanted to put on some gym shoes. Because what I had on, I really just wanted to wear that to brush to begin with. And now I just got on some plain gym shoes and a t-shirt. Kind of glad I packed this, because the way it's looking outside, it's not giving I want to be cute in my little shorts and cute back out tops. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's warm, it's hot. Well, not hot, but it's a nice temperature. But it's muggy looking. It may not rain, but it's not giving what I want. It is what it is. So we probably just about to go walk around or whatever, bourbon or something like that. So yep. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna leave this camera here. I'm not gonna take this big camera with me. I probably just take my GoPro, because yeah, this camera kind of heavy, and I don't want to just have it in my bag because it's weighing my bag down. So let me take my GoPro. I really be wanting to film all my stuff out here, because this spot focus bullshit. I really just be wanting to film all my stuff on my big camera, but I definitely don't want to walk around holding it on a street like those streets here. And yeah, it's just, this camera is too heavy. Like, it's heavy. And the tripod kind of heavy, but yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. Alright, y'all, I'll pick up when we just walking around. The food was really good, by the way. They kind of made me a little mad because they asked for your name and how many in your party and your phone number, but it's like they was letting in who the hell they wanted to let in. If they saw you right there, they gave you a table. That's not cool. It's like, what's the point of the steps you was taking to get us seated, but you don't follow it? I can't stand it. Like, don't do that. Yeah, that's bad customer service to me. But anyway, we got the food. It was really good to me. It was cool. It was really busy, so the food wasn't piping hot, but it wasn't bad though. The shrimp and grits were okay. I've had better grits. It was cool. So I'm gonna try me some shrimp and grits somewhere else. And I most definitely need to get me some red beans and rice and gumbo. So yeah, that's what I said. I'm gonna walk around today and just go do a little bit of exploring around the popular touristy area, because that's probably what we're gonna do. Find me a gift shop or something. Find me a few little trinkets, because that's all the shopping I really do anyway. I don't buy a whole lot. I mean, if anything, I buy a cute bag or a handbag or something like that, or a souvenir type of bag, or some, you know, magnets and things like that. Like, I don't buy a whole lot of stuff, so. And I don't really have to. If anything, if I buy anybody something, it'd be like my immediate family, but they good. They've been in New Orleans a million times. They don't really want anything from New Orleans, so yeah. Anyway, y'all, I just wanted to check in with you guys. So I'm hoping I'm getting enough footage for y'all for this vlog. Your girl is trying to really just relax, but I still want to enjoy myself and party or whatever, if I can, because I know I'm going to have to do a lot of catching up, because I just came off a trip. But anyway, it's all good though. Let me get up out of here so we can enjoy this day while it is not raining. All right. Okay, this is a small little rooftop action. These are some great views up here. Like, you can see. Okay, these are some nice views. Let's start looking at stuff. Spicy ass po' boy, y'all. Some red beans and rice. Gotta love it. This is probably a roll or something. Some bread. Over there singing. Oh, this is a cute little. Somebody feel like weird. What's up, family? I haven't picked up with y'all since we got back from walking around New Orleans. We are currently on our way to our dinner reservation. We actually going to make it tonight. I kept rescheduling that reservation. So I'm about to finish up here and get ready to head down to meet our Uber driver so we can get there on time and have a nice dinner on our last night here. It's been a nice trip. It's been a chill trip. It's not a turn-up trip like it was just where I was just, it's not the type of trip it was when I was just in Jamaica. Trust me on that one. But it's been cool. It's been great. Yeah, and I'll just pick up with y'all when I get out on the town, because we probably walk around after that. So we decided to ditch our heels and just put on us some cute little flats, because we know for a fact that we're going to walk around down there. I mean, bourbon be popping at night any time of the night, so any day of the week. So we probably walk around on there because it's this place we want to go to. Yes, we're about to go get some food, but it's this spot we want to go to and get some food that we had last night to bring it back with us so we can have it just in case we possibly get hungry late in the night and we don't want to leave out of our hotel. Like, I know we're not going to walk back down there, or just something to have in the morning. If we don't make it for breakfast, we can eat it before we get ready to leave to catch our train back home. So yes, y'all, let me wrap this up. Let me call my Uber driver so we can be at our reservation on time, because there may be a little traffic getting down through there because it's not on Bourbon, but it's like one of the popular streets, Jackson Avenue or something like that, where our restaurant is. So yeah, I'll pick up with y'all in a little bit. Right now. Like, I have Brennan at home. It's nice, but they got like 3 or 4 locations over here. Cause they, yeah, we're good. Thank you. Thank you. They're supposed to do this. Saturday afternoon. We actually just chilled in a little bit today and we ain't rushed to get up, but now we're about to go get us some food because baby, it is that time. I really wanted to eat some breakfast, but maybe I'll get a taste of some of it. Maybe I'll still be able to get some wherever I'm going. At least a biscuit with some honey butter. That's what I'm craving. But anyway, I just want to check in because I know I really haven't. But it's all good. I guess I'll pick up with y'all once we outside. Look at this hair. I just got on something simple. I don't even know if I really just been showing y'all what I've been having on, honestly. It didn't really matter. I didn't make this a trip where I'm just going to be showing my outfits I wear every day, honestly, anyway. I did it on the trip I just went on. So, yeah. It's all good. I got on this cute little cami dress. I think I bought this at a Forever 21, or was it a... I think it was a Forever 21 in Mexico. That's where I got this dress from. It was in one of them little basic, one of them stores in Mexico. But yeah. It's cute. Oh yeah, I'll see y'all when we get to where we're going. I had to get me some pasta. I'll eat this later. You know I gotta make a vlog. Damn light. This is cool. City bus. It's arts. Good morning, family. It is currently Monday morning. It is our last day and we're getting ourselves together. I ain't even talk. I'm getting ourselves together, y'all. Make sure we pack all our stuff back down and we're about to go get some breakfast before we check out. Checkout is around 11, I believe. So we're gonna run down here, get us some breakfast and get our belongings and head to the train station. Ooh, it's gonna be a nice little 9-hour drive on the train home. 9-hour, I think it's like what? Nice little 8-9 hour ride home. That's how long it takes. It doesn't take that long on the train from Tennessee to Louisiana. It used to be like a 6-hour ride. Now it's longer because they have a few stopovers, which is cool. It gives us more time to enjoy the train ride because we're in the like sleeper, the little roomettes. So we get to, you know, relax. Not have to worry about all that foot traffic, just the little traffic that comes down through from the other people that have rooms. So, you know, that's the option if you want that. It's actually worth it. I mean, they feed you, like, depending on when you're on there, they'll give you breakfast and then they'll give you lunch, or they'll give you lunch and dinner, however it is. But yeah, it's a nice little ride. I mean, for us, it used to be that, if I'm not mistaken, y'all, I know they used to cook meals on there, but now it's like this prepackaged frozen food that they give you. It's cool. They give you snacks and things like that too. But yeah, I mean, it's still nice. And then of course you don't share a bathroom with the whole train. So each floor have a few different bathrooms for the people that's up on that floor for those rooms. But yeah, it's all good, y'all. I'm gonna pick up with y'all probably when we headed out to breakfast. All right. This is really How much was this? I ain't even looking see.
I ain't see them. I don't even know which one this could be.
It's like a family room. That Johnny. Hey family, just thought I'd check back in with you all. As you saw, we went and got breakfast, checked out the Airbnb, and I showed you a few clips of us sitting in the VIP lounge at the train station until it was time to go. This was a nice little quick getaway for my friend's birthday. She didn't want to do much. She just wanted to go eat great food, and you can never go wrong in New Orleans, Louisiana. As you see here, we are on our way, currently headed to the house. I love a great sunset. I had to show y'all this beautiful center route, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. This is me closing it out.